Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Yealink phone stuck on initializing, firmware, network and setup guide. Fix 1. Restart the Yealink phone. Unplug the phone's power cable or PoE network cable, then wait for 30 seconds. Then plug the power cable back in and allow the phone to boot completely. Now check if the phone moves past the initializing screen. Fix 2. Check the network connection. Make sure the Ethernet cable is securely connected. Then try a different network cable if available and connect the phone to another network port on the switch or router. Now verify that the network port is active and providing internet access. Fix 3. Update the phone firmware. Download the latest firmware for your Yealink model from the official Yealink website. Now access the phone's web interface using its IP address and navigate to the firmware upgrade section. Now upload and install the latest firmware and allow the phone to reboot automatically. Fix 4. Factory reset the phone. Press and hold the OK button while the phone is idle. Now select factory reset when prompted and enter the administrator password if required. Then confirm the reset and wait for the phone to restart and reconfigure the phone after the reset. Fix 5. Check provisioning settings. Confirm the provisioning server address is correct. Then verify that the server is reachable from the network and remove any incorrect provisioning information if necessary. Now restart the phone and check if initialization completes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.